This video is going to show you how to get a 2 terabyte for a very good deal. As you can see, there's a 256 gigabyte for $12.99, a 2 terabyte for $22.99, and another 2 terabytes, a 128 gigabyte for $11.99, and there's a 2 terabyte for $22.99. And the list goes on. If you're interested in purchasing one of these 2 terabytes or 1 terabyte, or even as low as 64 gigabytes, I'm going to leave a link in the description below.
Hey guys, welcome. Follow us at Dog Potty Training Secret on Instagram for amazing content and tips and tricks on how to potty train your puppy anywhere, anytime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Hit the bell button for the notifications. And thank you so much for watching.